Hey guys, what's up? Here is an interesting lead gen hack without wasting too much of your time. We all know that we have reached a level where you can go ahead and collect people's email IDs as leads while they're watching a video. You can place these forms either before the video plays or while the video is playing in the middle, like a gate, so that they can put in the content and they can continue watching the video. Or it can also appear as a post roll when they have when they have finished watching the video. Now, in cases like these, it is very important to leverage a functionality like this because somebody who has come to the level of watching your video has some amount of belief or trust that is already formed, and you would not want to waste that opportunity to get those details. Now, what do you do with these details once you get them, right? So once you have collected the lead, this is as good as collecting a lead form on a website, but this is happening on a video. Now you have collected that video. The next thing you should do is to go ahead and nurture these email IDs or details that they put in with further videos, but not just any video, the video that appeals to them, speaking to them in their language, with their name when you're actually speaking about that name. But do you have to go ahead and do that for 10,000 leads if you're collecting all 10,000 on a video? No. You need to go ahead and leverage platforms like what I'm going to show you now, which is either using tools like sendspark, where it automatically replaces the name of the person that you're watching. You can also do that with tools like LI, or you can also do that with using tools like Vidyard, where you can go ahead and customize people's names, or even synthesia for that matter, because you can go ahead and use a template where details could be uploaded through a CSV file. Now let's look at the whole thing in detail. If you have a lead form that is embedded on a video, you cannot, of course, use that as a video ad on native ad platforms like Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn. You need to go ahead and put them or embed that video on a landing page. Now, if you go ahead and run a video ad, which will get people to this landing page, which has the video that is embedded, which can collect the email IDs. Once you collect the email IDs, you automatically set up an automation by linking these two platforms with platforms like sendspark or Rely, where they can go ahead and look at the details from the spreadsheet or the CSV. It takes those details, dynamically creates a video with that person's name and details, and then use another email service to go ahead and push those emails with the video embedded. That's it for today. Thank me later. See you soon. That's it for today. My name is Casey. Stay tuned for more hacks like these. Cheers.